Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are healthy and safe. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 5. So, dear students, this is a part 1 video for the chapter 4 using mail merge. So, my dear students, this is a very interesting chapter. In business as well as in official matters, it is often needed to send letters with similar information to different people. The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So, changing the address each time would be very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Mail merge feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source which contains all the addresses with the main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple addresses. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, and telephone number, etc. The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field names can be used in the main document, and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Let's know more. Field is column in a data source that contains one type of information, example, name, address, city, etc. Record is a row on a date sheet. Number of fields make one record. What is main document? It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc., which instruct Word 2016 about where to insert the data source names, addresses, information in the main document. Mail merge involve 3 basic steps. 1. Creating a main document. Second, specifying a data source. Third, merging the data source with the name main document. Let's know more. The data source can be created in Word 2016 database file, or it can be created in another application like Excel 2016 or Access 2016. Creating a mail merge document. How to create mail merge document? Let's know that, student. To create a main document, follow these steps. Create a new document and type a letter, or open an existing letter in Microsoft Word that you want to send to different people at their addresses. So click on the mailing tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Start Mail Merge drop down menu and select the step-by-step mail merge wizard option. The mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. Now select the Letters radio button under the Select Document Type section. Click the Next. Start selecting document wizard steps under the step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. Choose the type of step for your letters and click use the current document and radio button. So under the select starting document section, click the next, select recipient under the step 2 of 6 section. Thank you very much students to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy and subscribe this channel.